Hey everyone, welcome back. If the bill pay is not working on the TD mobile banking app, it is caused by a setup or a service issue. First, make sure that your pay information is entered correctly. Double check if there is lowercase, uppercase, or underscores, numbers, check all of that. Then check that your account has enough balance to complete the payment. Now swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for TD Bank and then swipe it away to completely close it and then reopen it before trying again. Make sure the TD app is updated to the latest version. Head over to your app store, search for the TD Bank and then check whether you have updated your app or not. If not, make sure to update it so you'll have the latest version and the bug fixes. After that, if bill pay still fails, try accessing bill pay from TD Bank's website to complete the payment. Once resolved, bill pay should work normally on the TD mobile banking app, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick